and welcome to the 6-5 Summit. I'm Shelley Kramer, one of the founding partners of Futurum Research, and on behalf of my team here at Futurum and the team at More Insights and Strategy, welcome. We're glad to have you. In this spotlight session, Marvell Technologies' Raghib Hussain, President, Products and Technologies, explores the cloud data center evolution, including the shift from application-specific to data-centric compute. Let's see what he has to say.
Hi, my name is Raghib Hussain, and I am President of Marvell Products and Technologies. Today, I'm going to talk about how hyperscale cloud data centers are evolving, driven by the needs of data infrastructure, and how Marvell is best positioned to be the leading semiconductor company for the data infrastructure. So if you look at cloud data center, when the cloud data center started, their focus was to implement a set of functionality. They needed to implement it fast and roll out their application and services to their customers. This is why they took whatever equipment was available. They took a bunch of standard OEM servers along with all kind of OEM appliances for networking, security, and server load balancing. The result was the first generation of cloud data center. It served the need. It was designed to provide the functionality, but it had all kind of challenges related to scalability, performance, and efficiency. So as the cloud business grew, the hyperscale cloud vendors needed to scale rapidly to service the need of their customers. They needed to make it more efficient so that they could deploy more and more data centers. So at that time, OEM appliances, that they chose in the first phase were not designed for cloud scale data center, and TCO was not good for with them. This is why hyperscale cloud vendors moved to ODM based server that were designed according to their specification, improving their overall TCO. They also adopted virtualization and moved network services from OEM appliances to software-based implementation. It not only gave them ability to scale their overall network to make it cloud scale, but it also gave them control over their network services and security, giving them a lot more flexibility to deploy newer services on the go. However, with the rising number of customers and increasing amount of data, performance and efficiency was still a big challenge. And the cloud had another unique characteristics that was different from traditional server workload. Traditional servers were designed to process applications with the characteristics of less compute-intensive processing and data mainly controlled by the application. These applications generally create data and manage data in their own formats. For example, web services, web servers, web browsers, email, or word processing application. They all manage and create their own data. This allowed CPU to process a structured data which was easy to handle. The data-centric compute is the processing that not only involves complex math function, but deals with a large volume of data movement. Data-centric compute is a unique characteristics of cloud workloads. For example, things like security, video processing, storage optimization algorithms like compression, error recovery encoding, and especially AI and ML. All these applications have one thing in common. They are all complex math functions. In addition, they all require high volume of data movement in and out of the system to get the most value out of it. Server CPUs are designed for application-centric compute and not cannot handle the overall complex data-centric compute tasks very efficiently. So as the cloud vendors were looking to make it more efficient and improve performance, and especially with the increase of volume of data as compute requirement of these data-centric processing were increasing, the third phase of the cloud, hyperscale cloud, started to deploying accelerators for all kind of data-centric compute. They use readily available GPUs, FPGAs, and accelerators. These accelerators helped remove performance bottlenecks for data-centric compute. However, they were not most efficient implementation. They were still not optimized for the target application and not built according to application specification. In addition, it was not efficient for the TCO. During the last 18 months, the shift to cloud has accelerated, driven by COVID. All these things were already happening. The workloads were already moving to the cloud, but the pandemic has really accelerated the adoption of the cloud. Whether it is e-commerce, video conferencing, video streaming, telemedicine, or online gaming, all these applications have moved to the cloud and driving a lot more data in the cloud infrastructure. We see more and more remote users and hence the growth of cloud computing. With this growth of cloud computing, the shift of workload to cloud is also causing the type of processing needed in the cloud. And with the increase of volume of data, the overall need of data-centric compute is increasing. The trend once again was already in the play with more and more data-centric services being deployed in cloud, and it has been accelerated as the time goes by. The amount of data is increasing, the amount of data-centric compute needed in the cloud. The recent shift in this trend has only accelerated the need of data-centric compute, and that is why cloud architectures are looking into finding newer ways to improve the overall data-centric processing. In order to handle the data-centric processing at cloud scale and do it in an efficient manner, hyperscale cloud are implementing a completely new data center architecture. This architecture is designed to not only remove performance bottlenecks at every level, but also getting more efficient solution for the best TCO. To start with, hyperscale cloud vendors are improving the fundamental building block of data center, the server. This time, they are not only optimizing the server at the system architecture level, but also building server processor according to their own application needs. This allows them to put the right amount of compute balanced with the right amount of caches specific to their application need, and the I/O to handle bandwidth requirements of the data-centric applications. This gives birth to ARM server processors. In addition to augment the processing, they are also complementing application server processor with the data-centric processing engines like SmartNICs and DPUs. These special purpose data-centric engine or DPUs allow them to process various data-centric tasks like security, video processing, computational storage, AI, and network services in a most efficient manner designed specifically for their workload needs. However, to achieve the best efficiency, instead of using the off-the-shelf FPGAs and GPUs, the cloud vendors are choosing DPUs designed specifically for this need and also custom application-specific processors. To remove the bottleneck of the network, they are implementing a new network architectures with upgraded network switches to handle higher bandwidth and also upgrading interconnect and optical connectivity. Finally, to scale the cloud data center beyond a single data center and implementing reliability and redundancy, they are connecting data center with multiple data center with the optical interconnect between the data center. This not only gives them much better connectivity and bandwidth, but also reduce the overall cost of implementation. This new data center architecture allows the cloud vendor to achieve the most optimized TCO for the data center and with the cloud scale performance and efficiency. Over the last 4 years, Marvell has been focused to bring the best of breed products to serve all the needs of the data infrastructure. First, we have standard products to address the needs of growing security, storage, networking, and data-centric processing. We have Liquid I/O SmartNICs that are the leading SmartNIC solution shipping in volume production and deployed at cloud data centers. We have do-it-yourself storage solution. These SSD solution helps cloud data center to implement virtualized and disaggregated SSD solution. In addition, they also provide additional functionality needed for computational storage. We have Liquid Security to provide the highest performance, but cloud scale security. So this is the highest performance virtualized security solution available with the highest level of security. Next, we have high performance data center switches and PAM4 optical interconnect. This allows hyperscale data center to achieve the highest bandwidth and cloud scale networking. Then we also have, for the inter-data center connectivity, we have Colors and Color Z2, which is coherent optical interconnect. This allows scaling of the cloud networking beyond the single data center. And finally, we have experienced custom silicon team and business model to partner with the hyperscale cloud customers and serve their customer silicon needs for ARM server processor, as well as various kind of GPUs and accelerators. Today, Marvell is providing products and solutions based on leading node technology. But this didn't happen by coincidence or chance. Marvell has been investing for the last several years to become a leader in process node technology and IP. As a result, today, we have a state-of-the-art IP in the latest process node and leveraging it not only for our standard products, but also for custom silicon. That gives a good opportunity for the cloud guys to implement their own application-specific solutions. In addition, we are driving silicon and system-level innovation. Our silicon team is experienced in implementing most sophisticated packages and driving new trends like multi-chip modules, 2D, 3D packages, and co-package optical interconnect. All this ability to customize silicon along with our flexible business model puts us in the best position to partner with hyperscale cloud vendors. So if you look at a high level, Marvell is very well aligned to be the best partner for hyperscale cloud data center. We have high-end data center switches and PAM4 optical interconnect. We have expertise and business model for custom ARM server processors, as well as we have not only experience, expertise, and product for the off-the-shelf DPUs and SmartNIC, but we also have a partner model for custom silicon and ASIC to implement a specific solution for the specific needs of the hyperscale cloud vendor. We have computational storage and do-it-yourself SSD. And that also gives our customer a way to work with us, partner with us, and implement their own custom variant solution to achieve the best storage solution for their hyperscale cloud solutions. We have data center interconnect, coherent optical modules and solution. This allows our hyperscale cloud partner to scale beyond a single data center. And then finally, our highest performance security solution allows them to implement the highest performance security and enable their customers to have the highest level of trust in working with them. So in summary, cloud scale infrastructure requires optimize and build to specification solution. This solution needs to be designed according to the needs of the data-centric compute and the applications that are being deployed at cloud scale. Marvell has complete product portfolio and latest process node IP needed for data infrastructure. In addition, Marvell has flexible custom silicon model to be the best partner for hyperscale cloud vendors. With that, I thank you for your for attending today's session. Thank you.